Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to change the backdrop and the sprite in Scratch. For changing the backdrop, here on the left side you have the option New Backdrop. There are 4 techniques by which you can change the backdrop. The first one is Choose Backdrop from Library. Second is Paint New Backdrop. Upload backdrop from file, and last one, New Backdrop from camera. If you click on the first option, Choose Backdrop from Library, the backdrop library will open. There are many options. Whichever backdrop you click, that particular backdrop will be applied in your Scratch stage. All backdrops are arranged category wise. Right now we have selected all, so all backdrops you can see. Otherwise, indoors, outdoors, other and theme wise also you can select. For example, if we click on sports, all backdrops related to sports will come. Whichever we select, click OK. That particular backdrop will be applied on your Scratch stage. Any other backdrop you want to include? Again, go to library. Whichever backdrop you want to choose, click and then click on OK. The next backdrop will be applied. Now at the top you have Backdrop tab. If you click on this Backdrop tab, you can see here we have 3 backdrops in this program. Right now we have selected 3. First one is a blank backdrop, second is basketball court, and third is brick wall. The second option is Paint a New Backdrop. If we click on that, right side we will get blank screen and the painting tools. Using these painting tools we can draw any backdrop what we like, and that particular backdrop also will be applied on the screen. The third option is Upload Backdrop from File. If we click on this, it will give us the option to choose the picture as backdrop from the computer's memory. We can browse through our laptop and choose any picture and apply it as backdrop in our Scratch program. The last option is we can choose new backdrop from the camera. If we click on this, your laptop camera, your device camera will work, and whichever picture you click, that particular backdrop can be applied in your Scratch program. In the same way, you can change the sprite also. For changing the sprite, you will have to go to the option New Sprite. Here also we have the 4 options. First is Choose Sprite from the library, Paint New Sprite, Upload Sprite from File, New Sprite from Camera. If we click on Choose Sprite from Library, Sprite Library will open. Here also we have so many options. All sprites are arranged category wise. Right now we can see all. Then we have animals. Different categories are there. Animals, fantasy, letters, like this. All these sprites are arranged category wise. If we click on all, we can see all the options. Now whichever sprite we select and we click on OK, that particular sprite will be added in our Scratch program. We can choose as many sprites as we want. We can arrange these sprites according to our program on the screen. Second option is Paint New Sprite. Here if we click, we'll get a paintbrush screen on the right side and the painting tools. We can draw the sprite on our own and include it in our Scratch program. Third option is Upload Sprite from the file. We can browse through our laptop and choose a picture as sprite in Scratch program. Last is the camera option. We can choose a sprite from the camera. Scratch will use your laptop camera for clicking the picture, and your own picture can be used as sprite in the program.